Today I'm going to teach you how to create a door in Unity. To know how door works in Unity, you just have to know how to code or how physics work in Unity for door. Okay. A simple thing is when I press E, the door will open. Basically, you can see. Let me open and show you. Uh, you can see if you consider this is the door initial position and now door is open, the door will be this side. Okay, this is an 90-degree rotation. We are basically rotating the door. You can think of, if it is a door, this is the support of the door, and inside that you consider this a door. Okay, this part is this one. Okay, you just rotate the door in the direction which you want. To make rotation, you should have the pivot point. Let me show you. If I show right now, you can't see the pivot point. I'm just moving the child, and you can see you have to keep one empty pivot point on the on which side you want to rotate. You have to keep that so that your door will rotate, and other parts of the door should be the child of that pivot point, so that if you rotate your door, you can see here, if I rotate my door, wait a minute, you can see if I rotate my door, you can see the changes. Okay, so we are basically doing that. Let's start coding. Okay, let me create a new. First I will remove the code which is written by me. I remove that one, and let's start on the simple script named uh, door. Okay, and let's attach that script into the. Okay, let it be loading, and let's attach into the parent of the door. Okay, which one I attached? Sorry for that. I will attach. Arey yaar, what I'm doing? I'm uploading door handle, the old code only. Sorry for that. Okay, let's. Okay, now it will be loading. I will increase the view of the code. Okay, just before starting, just now remove this all code, and let's add some serializer field. Basically serializer field we use, we want it to be a private, but also we want that to be shown in the inspector, so that we are using a serializer field and private float. We need which angle we want to rotate, so open angle. Okay, open angle, basically 90 degree and serializer field. We want how fast or how, what is the speed of a door while closing and opening, so we are adding private float speed. Okay, so let it be 2 seconds, and let's add a boolean to consider is the door is open or a door is closed. You can see the suggestion, I'm just entering, or a tab, just pressing the tab. After that, let's consider the rotation, and for that private quaternion, because in the Unity we use, basically we use quaternion to consider the rotation. Quat quaternion quaternion closed rotation, let's say closed rotation. Okay, and another one quaternion which considers open rotation. Okay, now take start. In the start, we will consider current rotation as a closed rotation, because you are seeing that, right? Let me show. In here you can see the door is in the closed uh, direction or a closed position. Okay, let's mention that transform dot rotation. Okay, now we want to open rotation. What is the open rotation? Just the closed rotation plus the whichever the angle we give in the open angle. Okay, open rotation is equal to quaternion. Okay, quaternion dot Euler, and current transform dot Euler angle, to be angle, area angle which is right now, plus new vector 3 and the angle which we gives, we have to rotate in the y-axis, so we are giving y-axis direction 0 comma open angle Hope you can see the side, because I can, yeah, open angles, comma 0. And this one might be I missing some, I am doing some spelling mistakes. Let's place that one. Okay, now it's correct. Okay, now the start function is set. Just we have to add update. Okay, and one more thing is you can use the raycast method, or you can use this like pressing any button method. You can use anyone. Let me add, before that let me add one more thing, private coroutine, because if we press the E button continuously, that time we want to cancel whatever the coroutine happening in the backside, so that current coroutine will take the place. Okay, coroutine, current coroutine. Okay, now let's set the update method. If we press input dot get key down key code dot capital letter E, and let's close the statement, and if current coroutine, because we have to make current coroutine to stop so that we can run the new coroutine. Okay, and after stopping the coroutine we can call current coroutine is equal to start coroutine. Inside that, toggle door, and let's close that. This is basically calling the current coroutine. Okay, after that let's call private I enumerator. Hope you can see this one, enumerate enumerator enumerator toggle door. Okay, let's open that. First we have to set the rotation. For that, let's consider quaternion quaternion uh, tar target rotation is equal to let's check is open or not. Based on that, let's give closed rotation or open rotation. Okay, this statement you can consider as a if statement. You can write it as if condition. I'm just writing now like this. Okay, this, and let's make, okay, is open is equal to is open. We are just creating a true or false condition. Okay, let me check. Okay, I did a mistake here. Instead of writing quaternion, I write down something else. Quaternion. Okay, now uh, we have to lerp that so that it will move smoothly. Okay, while I'm using capital Y W. Okay, while, okay, now quaternion angle we need quaternion dot angle. Okay, what is our target rotation? Tar okay, target rotation dot okay, target, okay, something okay, current rotation transform dot rotation comma which the target rotation. Okay, target rotation, and let's give a huge number, not a huge number, it's a small number. Okay, after that let's lerp it. Transform auto rotation is equal to quaternion lerp dot lerp. Okay, transform dot current rotation. Okay, lerp basically takes from where to where you have to do, like first rotation. Okay, here you can see first rotation and the target rotation and the float. Okay, quaternion A, quaternion B, and the float means the time. Okay, transform dot rotation. Okay, and the target rotation, and the time dot delta time into the speed which we given speed. Okay, and close that, and write, because we are using enumerator, the writing the yield return is necessary. So okay, yield return null. Might be I made some mistake. Okay, small y should be there, and after y we have to confirm that it's set to the its current rotation is equal to target rotation. Okay, all set. Now we can check our game. Let's test. Okay, everything is set. You can see the changes here, and let's open the door now. Okay, I'm pressing E. You can see all set. If you like this video, just make sure you are subscribing my YouTube channel. Okay, my YouTube channel. Just subscribe the YouTube channel and help me to get 1K or 100 or 500 subscriber. I'm keeps on making videos. I'm getting very less subscribers. So please help me to get a good subscribers, and it will help me to encourage. And if you want this code, the code will be on my Patreon page. I will upload the Patreon link on the description. Thank you.